The Canon EOS M range in 2020. Are these APS-C size mirrorless cameras still relevant? This range of camera still has a huge amount to offer the video shooter, both from its compact, lightweight and easy to use form factor to its pretty good quality straight out of the box to its fantastic price point that you can find these range of cameras for on the used market. So the fact that people are abandoning them or even forgetting about them entirely is a sad thing. Well, that was until now, until Sigma turned up to save the EOS M's day. Sigma's release of a trio of fast prime lenses in their contemporary range for the EFM mount is potentially a game changer for all Canon mirrorless users. With focal lengths seemingly made exclusively for video shooters, being 16mm, 30mm and 56mm on an APS-C size sensor, great optical quality and that fast prime aperture, it almost seems too good to be true. But the price point is equally as unbelievable, with all three lenses coming in at a sub £500 price. The 16mm f1.4 offers the wide angle versatility that you'll need for any vlog style or selfie style shooting. It's compact and light, matching the best features of the EOS M bodies, and it doesn't compromise on optical quality either. The 30mm f1.4 is the best value of the bunch, not just with a low price point, it also goes toe to toe with Canon's 32mm for the EFM mount, but at half the cost. It has the premium look and aesthetics of Sigma's art lenses, just without the associated size. Truly, this lens defies belief as to what is possible with the EFM mount and at this price point. The 56mm f1.4 is my favourite of the bunch. Its lightweight form is the perfect companion for the EOS M range of cameras, but its focal length and fast aperture combination make it truly the most creative and, for me, the most aesthetically beautiful of these three lenses. Truly, the 50mm f1.4 is a B-roll beast of a lens, or at least a B-cam companion that really does defy belief. Truly, at less than £500, this lens is one all EOS M users should be excited about. As with all camera gear though, there is of course some shortcomings, especially when we're looking at the budget price point. None of these three lenses feature any kind of image stabilization or weather sealing. Really, the image stabilization is the biggest issue for me, as the early EOS M cameras didn't feature any inside the camera either. So really it's something to be wary of if you're an early EOS M or M3 user. In the coming days, we'll be putting each lens through its paces in its own right and publishing a review on each one individually. So if they're of interest, do stay tuned. But in short, it's a trio of lenses that not just rejuvenates the entire EOS M range, it's one that also has helped me fall back in love with some of my favorite little cameras of all time. For some more information on these lenses, there's some links below. And whilst you're down there, why not consider subscribing to our channel or even signing up to the Filmmakers Club on Patreon. That's been my grab and go review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.